An oldie but a goodie and worth saving as a quick go-to for dinner. Swapping out feta for goat cheese and adding onions, mushrooms, and chicken breasts. I'm adding my own twist and elevating the TikTok viral baked feta pasta. Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. We're going to prep by preheating the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and grab a 9x13 baking dish, and we're going to dice, slice, and mince all our ingredients. Then we're going to add 400 grams of grape tomatoes, followed by 300 grams of diced crimini mushrooms. Next, 1½ diced medium yellow onion and 4 to 5 cloves of minced garlic. Then we're going to season generously with salt, pepper, basil, thyme, and oregano, because you know we got to have flavor in our food. Then we're going to top it off with a 1/4 cup of olive oil. Then, using freshly washed hands, we're going to give this some TLC and get everything nicely coated in the seasoning and oil. Next, we're adding about 16 ounces of pre-seasoned chicken breast, cut into small strips. I love to pre-season my meat and package it into serving sizes. It makes cooking the day of a lot faster and gives the meat a chance to soak in the seasoning. Then add a 1/4 cup of red wine vinegar for a nice enhanced flavor. And give that one last mix before adding your 7 ounces of herbed goat cheese log. I took a 10-ounce log and cut it short for this recipe. Then cover with a lid or tin foil and bake for 30 minutes. While that's baking, I'm going to boil my pasta. And this is what our dish looks like straight out of the oven. The veg is nicely cooked down, the chicken is thoroughly cooked, and the cheese is soft and ready to mix. Add your pasta right into the baking dish, mix, and serve. Hungry for more baked dishes and one-pot recipes? Check out the videos above or head over to my channel for more. And until next time, I'll see you in the kitchen.